Did you know a hacker almost poisoned 15,000 people with just a few mouse clicks? On February 5, 2021, David Pickney was monitoring the Oldsmar water treatment plant in Florida. Everything seemed normal until something terrifying happened. His computer mouse started moving by itself. Someone was remotely controlling his screen, navigating through the plant's systems in real time. The invisible intruder knew exactly where to go, heading straight for the chemical controls. Within seconds, they found the sodium hydroxide settings and began typing. The caustic soda levels jumped from 100 parts per million to 11,100. This deadly concentration could burn throats and cause organ failure in anyone who drank the water. The hacker had exploited a weak TeamViewer passwords, timing their attack during a shift change. Pickney immediately reversed the changes, preventing a catastrophe. But the damage to America's confidence was done. A terrorist with a laptop had nearly poisoned an entire city.